Good evening and welcome to the oliveboard platform. My name is Maru Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and I'm here today to continue our series on the practice sessions which we have been bringing for you. Right now, today I have regularly a session for my railway students, and unfortunately, I had to delay it because of some occupancies. But I had thought that we will not let this session go at any cost, right? So we had shifted this session to the at 9 p.m. today. So that is why a delay of a few hours has happened, but that's unfortunate, and it will not be regular, but sometimes this happens. You know, in a schedule you have to adjust things so that things work smoothly and fine. So quickly join in live and we'll start the session right away. So I had also posted a message for you guys so that you guys don't wait in the evening for me. Anyways, so while you watch this session, guys, quickly subscribe to the oliveboard platform if you are new. Now we have been repeatedly getting analytics from YouTube that there are non-subscribers who are watching this channel, right? And that is not good for any channel. Then all the hard work goes in vain. Subscribing for you is not costing you anything. It's just clicking of a button. It is just something which is holding you back. I'm not sure what is that, but just hit the subscribe button. That will also enable all only important and relevant content coming to you. So hit that subscribe button right away so that we also know who is our audience, what is our audience, and what exactly they are looking for. So also leave the comments. They are very important. Once the video is over, straight away go to the comment box and leave some positive comment, some good comment which you would want us to work on, or maybe something, some feedback, some constructive feedback. Most welcome, not a problem, right? But comments make it all the more interactive. Even during the session, you can send live comments. And even after the session is over, I would want you guys to comment on the videos. It is very important. Share this session. If you are a part of another YouTube, another Telegram channel, you are a part of some WhatsApp group from WhatsApp channel, you're a part of any other group where preparation is happening, just share this session once. Put it as a WhatsApp status so that other students can be attracted and they come to this session and they can benefit from these regular practice sessions as much as possible. Okay, without any further ado, we'll start with the questions. Questions are almost again in the easy to moderate level. We'll be quickly solving them as soon as possible and getting it over with. So let's start. Before that, I'll apply the timer here. Okay, we are all set. The first question, mirror image. Okay, so let's look at the logic. So 4 will be flipped. 4 is flipped only in one option. So option C is the right answer. 1 second question, not worth 40 seconds. Anyways, next question, dice. So 40 is the standard time I'm giving you guys. You can take 40 seconds and solve the question. Okay, what is the question asking us? So 4 different positions of the same dice are shown, the 6 faces of which is numbered 1 to 6. Select the number that will be on the face opposite to the number showing 4. Which is opposite 4? Opposite 4 we can see here 6, 3, 6, 3. So we can clearly see that 4 is opposite to 1. So option B is the right answer. Next. This is interesting. Interesting but easy. Okay, now if you look at this particular question, what is happening is, see, B and 1, okay, we think that -1, but E and 1, 11, we are not sure what is happening. Okay, sometimes just writing the place value helps. Just write the place value. We have 2, 5, 12, 12. Okay, is something visible? 1, 4, 11, 11. What is happening? Flip -1. Flip -1. Same is happening here. H, E, A, R. So A is 26, R is 17, and H and E. So how will mic be coded? So we have, we start from E. So we have 4, 1, 0, 8 and 1, 2. 4, 1, 0, 8, 1, 2. That is option C. Okay, next. Okay, all Z are X, all Z are X, all G are X, some G are Z, no, not at all X are G, no, not at all, some X are Z, yes, perfectly fine. So only conclusion 3 follows. Option C is the correct answer. Next. Now let's check if division works for us. So division is on the second position here. 15 divided by 320 multiplied by 2 is still not going to work for us. 15 divided by 320 is going to be a fraction. Multiplied by 2 still not going to work. So this is gone. Division between 320 and 2. Okay, this is 160 multiplied by 15. This is too large a number. This is too large a number, this set. Delete. Division is here. So this is 160 plus 15 into 5. So this is 75, 160 minus 45. 75 minus 45 is 30. 160, 30 is 190. So just by partial calculation, You got your answer. So 40 seconds was also too much for this. You could have easily got it in, you could have easily done it in 30 or maybe 25. Okay. Hi Chinmay. So I had got good questions yesterday. You should have joined yesterday's session. Today is again normal set of questions only. But I'll bring more tomorrow. Challenging good questions. Arey, no, it's okay. Don't be sorry. Don't ever be sorry. I'm just talking to you normally. It's okay. It's absolutely fine. Even I was not available today, so I came in the evening. You know? That's perfectly fine. Okay. This is definitely an alternate series. Increase, decrease, increase, decrease. So this is not a progression. And if it is not a progression, 90% of the cases it is an alternate series. Okay. If you look at it that ways, we have plus 4, plus 4. So plus 4 will give us our answer, which is 79. Done and dusted. As simple as that. Next. Hi Sangeeta, good evening. Okay. So what is the logic here? Now see, the first thing which strikes your mind is that 7 is being multiplied by 11, so you get 77, and then we subtract 5 from it to get 72. Similarly, 5 is being multiplied by 8, we get 40, and we subtract 1 from it. But why we subtract 5 and 1? There is no established logic for that. Okay, add 7 and 11, so you get 18. Subtract 7 and 11, you get 4. Multiply, you get 72. Similarly, add 5 and 8, you get 13. Subtract them, you get 3, getting the score to be 39. So add 2 plus 3, this is not possible. This is 10 again, 5 plus 2, 7 and 3, not possible. 11 and 3, option B is the right answer. This was once upon a time a very common logic. Sum of two numbers, difference of two numbers, product of the resultants. Okay. Why not 97? Okay. Why 97? What makes you think it is 97? Oh, you are adding 11, is it? Okay, I think you are adding 11. Got it. So this will be happening here. So you can add 11 here. Then again you add 11 here. Then you again add 11 here in this lot. So after 79, the next number will be adding 11. Okay. Are you getting it? Your 11 is increasing this way. So this is one lot, this is one lot, this is one lot. Now look, 78 and 71, you are reducing 7. 82 and 75, you are reducing 7 again. So 86, 79, 7 has to be reduced here. This is the immediate next number. If you are adding 11, then 79 plus 11 can give you the correct answer. But 11 and 7, reducing that is complicated than just going alternate and adding 4. Okay, Chinmay, hope that answers your question. Okay. See, I understood you must have done that only. Okay, next. Anyways, good job. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. This is where we all make mistakes. Now we are in a habit of looking at this long paragraph and skipping it. Then we come at this and we think it's a number set based question. So we look at the logic. It's a very easy logic. All this is a trap for you. So you add them, you find this as the answer. You immediately look at this option, does not happen. Then it's your habit to look at this option, happens, you tick and you come back. Well, this is not right. Look at your answer. Now, why did that happen? Because the question said, select the set in which the numbers are not related in the same way as the numbers of the given set. So, basically the relation is sum of the second and third number is equal to the first number. It is happening here, it is happening here, and it is happening here. So, option A is the odd one out. Okay, very common trap, guys. If it's a very easy logic, always think that there is some trap in it. Read it carefully once. Next. Yeah, exactly. It happens. No, this is very easy. This is very easy. Can't get easier than this. No, option C is the right answer, right? See what exactly is happening. If this is the torchlight, okay, plus and minus. The torchlight is going 45-degree anti-clockwise, 45-degree anti-clockwise, 45-degree anti-clockwise. So it will go 45-degree anti-clockwise. So this, it will be like this. Which is only in option D. Yeah, D, sorry. I am saying C by error. So option D is the right answer. Next. Correct. 45-degree anti-clockwise. Next. Correct. Option A is the absolute correct answer here. So what is the logic? The first 5 letters, they are flipped. This is also flipped. First 5 letters flipped. This is also flipped. Oh, sorry. First 5 letters flipped. This is also flipped. So first 5 letters. So we start from T, T, I, C, X, C, and this will also be flipped. D, E. Option A is the correct answer. Next. I think no. Which is not correct? Which equation will not be correct after exchanging into and minus? Okay. If you quickly exchange into and minus, what do you get? So this is 8 divided by 2. We have 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12. This is 17. 17 minus 12 is still 5. So this is correct. We need to find which is not correct. This will also be correct actually. So don't have to solve it completely. Just check it quickly. This is 4. Don't even write it. Do it verbally. This is into. This is minus. So this is 30 plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1, so 31, correct. But this one I think is not for solving. So this is 5. This will be into, this will be minus. So 5 into 9, 45. 45 plus 15 is 60. Minus 4 is 56 and not 70. So option C becomes our correct answer. Next. So yeah, there are not a lot of tricks here. For these questions, we often look at the division sign, and for the previous question, board mass is what it helped, but you have to understand that you don't have to solve it completely. Never sit and solve it completely. Don't rewrite it. Just try to solve it, verbally. If these sort of questions are asked, mostly you'll get your answer. The moment you start analyzing that, okay, this is not going to give me my answer, leave it there. And usually division sign helps you a lot. If there is a division sign in the lot, then in 90% of the cases, your answers are always integers. So division, it will always be between two divisible numbers, and that is how you can approach it faster. Okay, this is easy. I think Q 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. We start with M. Okay, M is the first letter anyway. Second letter is, everything is different, so second letter will give the answer. 18, 23, that is plus 5, 28 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12. So L, M, L. Option D is the right answer. Next. Correct. This is very easy. Yeah. So what is happening here? So one line and 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one will be here. 6. Option B is the right answer. "40 seconds is too much. He is the father of Z and Z is the son of L. How is he related to L? Husband. Option A is the right answer. Instantly you can do it. Correct. Okay. So how is E related to L? We'll only plot this much. E percent Z means E is the father of Z, and Z and L means Z is the son of B. Z is the son of L. Now if Z is also the son of L, L has to be the wife of E. So E is the husband of L. Option A is the right answer. Next. Oops. See, this one is also easy. Correct. Now, you were telling me, Chinmay, that there is no trick which I learn. I just do it with board mass. Very good. Observe how you can do it faster. Okay. Firstly, let's look at the division sign. Okay. Division is between 30 and 40. This is not going to be divided completely. We'll have 15 by 2 and there is no multiplication sign next to it. So, this is never going to give you your answer because your answer has to be 121. It is an integer which is an answer. So, this is not right. Straight away delete it. Check for this division now. This division is between 2 and 1. Okay, if you solve this 2 and 1, so we have 2, 30 into 4, 120 minus 2, that is not 121. So this is also gone. Now we have two options left. Now check for common signs. In both these options, first one is common multiplication. So 30 into 4, 120 you have to take now. This is the new equation. 120 plus 2 into 1, 120 minus 2, 2 plus 2 minus 1 will give you obviously your correct answer. So plus 2 minus 1 is in option C. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, things will become easier that way. Next. This is also easy. No, 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 no. You need to check which expression shows P is the brother of R. For P to be the brother of R, P has to be a male. So P cannot be a female. A into B means A is the, sorry, A plus B means A is the sister of B. So P will never have a plus sign after it because P is not a female. So straight away delete this. Don't check this. Now, mostly if your option is repeated, one of them has to be the correct answer because they want to confuse you. So check what is P minus Q giving you. P minus Q means P is the brother of Q. Now easily check this. Q into R is, Q is the father of R, not possible, gone. Q plus R is, Q is the sister of R. So we needed that P should be the brother of R. It is there in option C. Option C is the correct answer. That's it. Easy. Next. It happens. Okay. Don't worry. Yes, they are. I know, Chinmay, I know you know the answers. So that is why the easy questions actually take a toll on you. Why? Because when the questions are very easy, we start falling into traps. And that haste is what creates a problem. It's all about balance of accuracy and speed. If you are at a very good accuracy, let's say after practicing a lot, you have reached more than 95% accuracy. The moment you hit the speed, accuracy is going to fall down drastically. So you need to strike that balance. Banking exams are much tougher than SSC. Well, tougher should not be the right word, but their approach is much different. They are into much more detail in every subject. Specifically, reasoning is much more challenging and it's much more interesting there. Okay, so mirror image, this right angle triangle will be flipped here, so this goes, this is not possible. Now this arrow will be flipped, so we'll have black first, white next. Black first, white next, not here, this is gone. Next, both these arrows are the same, so no point checking, just simply check this. This will flip as it is, not like this, so D is also gone. Option C is the correct answer. Next. Oh, okay, Chinmay. In reasoning, I think banking exams are not tough for these questions. They are normal only. The level is better than SSC, no doubts. But banking exams have questions of input-output, okay, of puzzles, of sitting arrangement. They are the actual challenging questions. Syllogism. They are much better and much higher than what SSC asks you. Because I have always maintained SSC is more of a time challenge, less of a level challenge, less of a difficulty level challenge. Banking is a good mixture of both. So time is also a stress, but it's not that of a stress. I mean, time is not very sensitive as compared to SSC. In SSC, if you make a mistake of 2-3 seconds, you will almost end up losing your job altogether. In the sense, you might not make it to the rank list because 2-3 seconds, 4 seconds here and there, you will lose out 2 questions and gone. You're out of the rank list. And sometimes, you know, in the GK section, see, I know I should not be saying all this as an educator, but it happens. You just take a wild guess that, okay, I am just having, let's say, 10 seconds left. In 3 questions, I have just taken a blind wild guess. I don't know why did I do that. I risked it. And suddenly you are on the cream. Why? Because those 3 questions, all 3 were correct. So you have, your rank is boosted up. But that does not happen with banking examinations. It's more stable. Okay, 3 are alike and okay, fine. So we have SH, okay, this is not the logic, U, Z, U, F, X, C, Can we say this is reverse, this is reverse, this is reverse alternatively? Is that possible? Yeah, but x, okay, what else can be the case? So this is 19, this is 24, so we are adding plus 5, 24, and this is 8. 24, so we have 2 and 8, 10, and 8 and 16 is 8. Is this working out? So 24 and this is plus 5, 29, yes. This is not working. How is this? Okay, so I think this is only the logic which we were thinking before. Reverse letters, reverse letters, reverse letters. This is not reverse. So option B is the correct answer. And for 24 and 16, for 3 and 18, we are adding 15. 24 and 15 will give us 39. 39 minus 26 is given. 26 is giving us 13 m. Again, this is not happening. Oh, sorry. 3 and 21. So we are adding 18, right? 24 and 18 is going to give us 16. Yes, correct. This is plus 16 and this is reverse letters. Plus 16 plus 16 reverse letters. So option B is the correct answer. Next. Okay, that's very brave. If this is your first attempt and you don't have any exposures of competitive exams. This one seems to be easy. 8 minus 2, 6, 6 square is 36. 9 minus 4, 5, 5 square is 25. Okay. So firstly look for a square. So we have 9 and 49. 18 minus 14 does not exist. 7 square 49. Option D is the right answer. Next. Easy again. What is happening? So this is plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Remember this letter is as it is. Then plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is what is happening. In a haste, don't add plus 2 everywhere. So promote, PROMOTE works. So now how will improve be written? So IMP dash R. So R has to be the fourth letter. Fourth letter has to be R. So this is gone, this is gone. Okay. KO is the same. So don't bother checking it. Just check the third letter here. P plus 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. It has to be R. Third letter also has to be R. So option D is the right answer. Isolate and get your correct answers, guys. Okay. Next. Sangeeta, what happened? Why have you stopped answering? Good. Smart. Okay, out here, some tests are exams, Some exams are Viva. All Viva are theories. Some theories are exams, absolutely right. Some theories are Viva, absolutely correct. And some tests are Viva, not at all. So only 1 and 2 follow. Option D is the correct answer. This is again an alternate series. Alternate series is always a better option here. See, m plus 3 is 16 plus 3, 19 plus 3, 22. So we'll start with V. This is gone. And 21 plus 3, 24 plus 3, 27. 27, 1 plus 3, 4, that is D. Option B is the right answer. Okay, next. Correct. So what is happening here? 13 square is 169 plus 3, 172. 11 square is 121 plus 3, 121, 124. 9 square is 81 plus 3, 84. But 15 square is 225. Minus 5 is 225. 220. It should have been 228 to make it the correct answer. So option D is the right answer. Next. So 1, 2, 3, correct. Easy again. We just need to check C. So SERE, this is going to come first. Okay. Rest 3 are I and 1 is R. So this is last. This is gone. Don't check these two now. Out of these two, check which one is going to come second, because this is first, this is last. Okay. We need third. So out of these three, we should need the second one. So series SERIE, this is 5, SERIA 1, SERIO, this is 15. So this is going to come first. So that is 1, 2, and this is 3, this is 4. We didn't have to arrange it completely, but still option D is the correct answer. So with that, we'll end the session here. The final question is a bonus question for you. It's a very easy question. Don't answer it here in the chat box. Answer it after the session is over, right? And once you give me an answer, also mention, anything good you are liking about the session and anything which you are not liking, or I would not use the word not liking, anything which you would like to improve. So I have received your feedback and I'm planning the sessions, right? Once this practice set is over, these practice sessions are over because they have already been planned beforehand. Once they are over, I'll be bringing on very nice sessions for you, interesting, challenging sessions for you based on syllogism, based on calendars, based on critical reasoning, and all the other demands which you have made with me. Okay, so I'll be bringing them one by one. Rather difficult or interesting, I would say, topics of logical reasoning with a lot of variety of question, not only of SSC level, not only of railway level, but also of, let's say, a few questions of banking level and 1 or 2 questions of CAT level. That mixture is going to give you a very, very good exposure. Everything on YouTube, free of cost. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Take the screenshot and do put the answer in the chat box. And I am expecting answers today from you. Not only answers, but I am expecting some comments from you today. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.